In this video guys, I'm gonna show step by step how we can import an image to Canva, easy and simple. So let's get started. So what you need to do, just go to your Canva homepage like this, okay? And you should see over here this option, upload, okay? Click over here on upload. And it's gonna take you to this page. Click on choose file, okay? Click on choose file and upload, and you will choose the picture from your laptop that you want to upload to Canva. So I want to upload this picture. Click on open, and it's gonna take you to this page as you can see. And what you will do, click over here on use in new design. And what you will do next, you will choose the size of the picture that you want to upload to Canva. If you want to use this picture for Facebook post, you can choose Facebook post size, okay? If you want to use this picture for Facebook cover, use Facebook cover size, okay? You want to use this picture for Instagram post, use Instagram post size. So for example, you will choose Facebook post size. Just click on Facebook post size, and your picture will be uploaded to Canva like this, okay, as you can see. And here you go, okay, your picture will be uploaded to Canva like this. It's easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope this tutorial is helpful for you, and see you in my next video.